this is room number 2. We have now moved up to the 9th floor. So just to give y'all some insight, we ended up staying on the family side, even though the resorts are completely connected. They're connected by a hallway, so there were no more rooms on the adults only side. So we ended up staying on the family side, but we were able to use all the amenities that the adult side does offer, except for their specialty restaurants, as the family side has their own special restaurants. We were also able to eat at the buffet on the adults only side, which is one of the amenities. The casino is also featured on the adult side, as well as a 24-hour lounge which serves hot dogs, hamburgers, sandwiches, and just some late night snacks, also cookies and etc. So the view from coming from outside